Canola oil may be widely used in cooking, baking and other food preparations, but it comes with some serious health concerns. It's important to understand the negative effects of canola oil so you can make informed decisions about what you eat. Canola oil is extracted from the rapeseed plant and is high in omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for good health. However, too much omega-6 can increase inflammation in the body, leading to health issues like arthritis, heart disease, and asthma. Also, because canola oil is highly processed and treated with chemicals like hexane, it may contain unhealthy trans fats. Moreover, canola oil has been linked to other health concerns like weight gain and cancer risk. Studies have shown that regular consumption of this oil may cause weight gain due to its high calorie content. Additionally, a diet high in processed fats like canola oil has been linked to a higher risk of certain types of cancer. Finally, canola oil is often GMO-based, which means it's been produced with genetically modified organisms. These GMOs pose unknown risks to human health due to their lack of safety testing. For these reasons, it's best to avoid canola oil and instead opt for natural sources of healthy fats like olive or coconut oils for cooking and baking purposes.